Before we get started, let me tell you a little about me. My name is Alfonso, and I've spent over 30 years investing, teaching, and helping people understand how money really works. I've been in real estate, insurance, and financial education, and my mission is simple: to help everyday people take control of their finances and build real wealth. I'm not here to impress you, I'm here to educate you, because I truly believe if you change the way you think about money, you can change your life. So if you're ready to learn, grow, and take action, you're in the right place. If you're looking to diversify your investments, then real estate could be your golden ticket. In this video from Money Smart Basics, you'll learn how strategic property investments can generate strong returns and consistent cash flow, even in today's market. Don't wait. Position yourself now and start building a financial future that grows over time. And remember, like, subscribe, and comment for more Money Smart Basics videos. Stay until the end for a powerful bonus tip. Real estate investing continues to be one of the most reliable paths to building wealth in 2026. It offers something unique: tangible assets, long-term appreciation, and multiple income streams. Even though market conditions shift, real estate remains valuable. Whether you're seeking passive income, portfolio diversification, or long-term growth, it provides opportunities that few other investments can match. But in today's environment, understanding the market is critical. Interest rates, inflation, and housing supply all play a major role in shaping your strategy. At the same time, local factors like population growth, job markets, and development can determine whether a deal succeeds or fails. Those who stay informed and adapt are the ones who win. Now let's be clear, real estate is not a get-rich-quick scheme. It's a journey. It requires patience, knowledge, and discipline. The goal is not quick wins. It's long-term, sustainable wealth. Before you invest a single dollar, you need a clear plan. Start by defining your goals. Are you looking for passive income, long-term appreciation, or a combination of both? Next, evaluate your financial position, your budget, your credit score, and your available funds for a down payment. Once you understand where you stand, commit to learning. Read books, attend seminars, listen to podcasts, and study experienced investors. Learn key concepts like property valuation, financing options, and rental yield. Because in real estate, knowledge is leverage. Real estate is a team sport. You need real estate agents, lenders, contractors, and property managers. The right network can bring you deals, help you avoid mistakes, and save you thousands of dollars. Remember, no one builds wealth alone. One of the biggest mistakes new investors make is expecting overnight success. Real estate is a marathon, not a sprint. Yes, there are opportunities for quick gains, but most wealth is built over time through appreciation, rental income, and smart reinvestment. Be patient, stay consistent, think long-term. There are multiple ways to win in real estate, and you need to choose the one that fits your goals and risk tolerance. You can buy and hold properties to generate passive income while they appreciate. You can fix and flip properties for profit, or you can wholesale by finding deals and assigning contracts for a fee. Each strategy has its pros and cons, so take the time to understand what works best for you. Most investors don't use all cash. They use leverage. Common financing options include conventional loans, which typically require a 15 to 25% down payment, FHA loans with lower down payment requirements, and VA loans that may offer zero down for qualified veterans. You can also explore private lenders, hard money loans, and partnerships. The right financing can accelerate your growth. Finding the right property is where deals are made or lost. Define your criteria: location, property type, and expected return. Use tools like online real estate platforms, MLS listings, and local market data. And don't forget, some of the best deals are off-market and come through networking. Always analyze cash flow, expenses like taxes, insurance, and repairs, and the property's appreciation potential. Never skip due diligence. Hire professionals like home inspectors and real estate attorneys. Also do your own research by looking into neighborhood trends, crime rates, school districts, and rental demand. One bad deal can set you back years, so verify everything. Negotiation is a critical skill in real estate investing. Research comparable properties, understand your numbers, and know your walkaway point. Be professional, listen carefully, and aim for a win-win deal, but never overpay. When it comes to managing your property, you have two options. You can manage it yourself, which gives you more control and saves money, but requires time and effort. Or you can hire a property management company, which gives you freedom and peace of mind, but comes at a cost. Choose what fits your lifestyle. Real estate also offers powerful tax advantages. One of the biggest benefits is depreciation, which allows you to reduce your taxable income. Be sure to consult with a qualified tax professional to maximize your benefits and stay compliant. Real estate investing can lead to financial freedom and generational wealth, but it requires discipline, education, and consistency. Stay informed, keep learning, build relationships, and most importantly, take action. If you made it this far, you're already ahead of most people. Here's your bonus tip. If you want to succeed in real estate, remember this: location, location, location. A great property in the wrong area will struggle, but an average property in a strong, growing area can build serious wealth. Do your homework and let location work for you. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more Money Smart Basics content. The information provided in this content is for educational and informational purposes only and should not be considered financial, legal, or tax advice. Always consult with a qualified financial advisor, tax professional, or legal counsel before making any financial decisions. The creator of this content is not responsible for any actions taken based on the information provided. Investments and financial decisions carry risk, and past performance does not guarantee future results.